routine and you're still not ready. Yeah, see there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for returning. As you could hear in the last clip, that's the reason why I am always running late, because I wake up late and I just don't have time in the mornings. There's something I gotta do. I must confess that I was lying. So I would wake up early in the morning and tell my mom, I'm praying. God knows I was not praying. I was actually sleeping. Lord, please forgive me for lying. Amen. I wanted to show you guys a very easy, quick makeup routine. If I were to wear makeup every day, this is something that I would do. I recently did this makeup on Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I did it on Sunday, and it was very, I was even surprised how quick it took me to do everything that I'm going to show you today. Without further ado, oh, how could I forget? Yeah. Are you serious at all? Clearly not. That's why I'm always waking up late. But before you go anywhere or do anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you like, make sure you comment what other videos you would like to see on my channel. And without further ado, let us get into this video. First of all, y'all, prep work is very important. So you want to make sure that you start off with your Badescu cucumber spray. It's a facial spray. You don't have to use this one, but start off with something that will just hydrate your face. So I like this one, and I'm just gonna spray. So the first thing I'm going to do are my eyebrows, and I'm going to take this Revlon Brow Fantasy by Colorstay in the color dark brown. It looks like this. Yes. I've had this for a while, so it's not going to be all nice and pretty. Okay. Because I put it in my makeup bag and everything like that, so it kind of gets janked around. So I pulled it out, and I'm just taking off the excess because I don't need all of that. And I'm just gonna brush them up. Not really feeling kind of push them in some kind of shape. Makeup routine is so quick. I'm very surprised why I don't even do it on a daily basis. But this is not really makeup, but anything extra that you add on your face, I guess, is considered makeup. So I guess it is. But it's so simple. Maybe I should do this every day. Maybe. But I probably won't, because I wake up every day. Well, not every day, no, don't try to play me. Not every day, but I like to sleep. And I don't get enough of it. So when I can, I would rather sleep than wake up a few minutes early. Next, I'm going to be adding mascara to my eyelashes. And I'm taking this Volume Flash Scandal Eyes by Rimmel London, and it looks like these. Actually, the trick that I would do is I would spray some either Fix Plus or primer spray or some kind of spray it on your face so that the mascara can really show. So right now I'm just gonna take the Scandinavia spray. It's the smallest tube. That's what I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna spray it on my eyes, but not so close, y'all. You know, just so that you feel like eyelashes get kind of soaking wet, and then I'm just gonna add mascara. Also, sometimes I made a mistake right here, and that's okay. It happens. This will definitely happen if I have to do makeup in the morning, I can tell you that. Sometimes if I don't use this one, I also like to use the Better Than Sex mascara, cue in the Trey Songz music. Sex ain't better than you. And on Sunday when I did this look, I used this one. Y'all can kind of see the difference, huh? You can add a little bit to the bottom if you want, but I'm just gonna lightly put it on the bottom. I have to usher today, so I'm doing the wedges without perfect, but honestly, we don't want to, we don't have to. You know, that's it. If you want to be a little bit extra, I also have this one by Maybelline, and it's called Snap Scare. I believe this is in the color Jet Black. Oh, Pitch Black, yes. I'm not really putting it on. I'm just focusing on the top to be honest, and like the ends. There you go. Simple. I'm almost done. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna add lip gloss. I'm not putting lip liner. I'm not doing none of that. I'm not defining my lips, nothing. So I have two options. The NYX glitter lip gloss. It looks like this, or you can use the LA Colors High Shine lip gloss. I think I got this from the dollar store. You know, bougie on a budget. Come on. You know, so you can use either. I think I'm gonna go with this one, or you can just use. I have this other one that I believe I got from Forever 21, and I cannot sense it. But anyway, the choice I'm gonna choose. Thank you so much for watching my quick makeup tutorial. I hope you like it. Please make sure you comment down below what you would like to see in my next video. And did you like it? Do you think you could do this in the morning? Let me know in the comment section down below. Oh, don't forget that you can also know everything that... Okay. Don't forget to check the description box so that you can know everything I use in this video. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.